All right, guys, new career goal. I'm about to become an NFL quarterback thanks to the magic of VR. So there's a new VR game we're getting to demo here. It's called NFL Pro Era, the first game where you get to be on the field in VR and throw. I have no idea what I'm doing, and this is going to be amazing. So maybe they'll make me a Miami Dolphin. What do you say, eh? I have no idea what I'm in for. NFL Pro Era is the first ever NFL licensed virtual reality game, and it's worth noting that this is the first major gaming title that was developed by athletes. It costs $30 and it's available to download now on both the Meta and PlayStation VR stores. This game is all about playing as the quarterback, and the crew first put me in a room so I could practice the controls.
Why don't you look at your left hand like you're telling the time?
Okay.
You should see a plus button.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna click, yep.
The key here is that you have to release the trigger during your throw at just the right time. Oh, that went to the ground. Okay. The training modes let you throw balls at various targets. Some are moving targets, and you can connect with others online for a game of VR catch. Hey, got it! Wow. This is awesome! The company behind this game is a sports technology and gaming startup called Status Pro. It's based in Miami. I spoke with co-founder Troy Jones, a former Division I quarterback.
So we're drilling in just to the quarterback position for this game. As we launch, it'll be an annually released game, so as we launch in the future, we will introduce defense and wide receiver and running back. So again, as text evolves, we'll figure it out. But right now you can move around. Like you can hang out in the stadium with your friends, play catch, play one-on-ones, run around. So we're actually going to use that as a prototype center for people to tell us, like, hey, it feels good when I do this. It doesn't feel as good when I do that, right? So just understand that this is a long-term vision and a long-term play. We wanted to introduce something that was compelling and then build on top of it for years to come.
Okay, time for some real pressure in a 2-minute game to see how much I can score. Being from Miami myself, I had to go with my Dolphins. Hard Rock Stadium.
You're in the stadium now. We're about to start. The rules are simple. It's a 2-minute drill. Try and get as many points as you can. All right.
Okay. I'm against the Packers. This is hysterical. This is hysterical. What you're seeing is gameplay that we recorded from home later and paired it up with my experience. So that way I can help show you what it's like inside the headset.
All right, so now you're in the huddle.
Hey guys, what's up?
Look down at your left wrist.
All right.
See that wristband?
Yeah.
It's going to tell you your play right there. Hit that break button with your virtual finger. Just push it in. You don't even have to click. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
All right, so the way that you hand the ball off.
Okay.
So look to your right and find your running back. You see him?
Sure.
Okay, so when you snap the ball, you're going to catch it and then you're going to place it into his chest and let go of that trigger. Okay?
How am I snapping the ball?
You're going to hit those triggers. Right?
Okay.
Hit that, and then you hit him again to catch the ball. Hit it, and
Take it. Oh, go.
Get the box! All right, first down, 6 yards. We're cooking.
I was like, take it.
Let's
take
go.
the ball.
Snap, look to your left, look at your receivers.
Okay.
All right, look good, look to your right. All right.
Sure.
All right, so now snap it.
Oh, now what do I do?
Where's that? Oh, it was close though.
Who am I supposed to be looking for? Who do I throw it to?
That's what I'm saying. This is
Who do I
how hard
throw it
it is.
to?
Did you know it was so hard to be an NFL quarterback? Your left real quick.
Yeah.
Does anybody look good?
Yeah, he's glowing.
You like him right there?
He's glowing, and okay, sure.
Okay, now look to your right,
He's glowing.
Ooh, I like that guy all the way on the outside. It
Okay.
doesn't look like anyone's covering him, all right?
Okay.
So snap it and then look to him and throw.
Oh, delay.
Delay game. That's my fault. Let it fly.
Oh no, interception.
Go ball.
Did he get it?
That's a first down.
Did he get it?
That's a first down.
He got it.
right there.
Okay, he got it. That's good.
All right, here we go.
Hail Mary, all the things.
Try and think until they work. What's going to happen?
Sure, take it. No, that doesn't look good. Is that good? Is that
Yeah,
good?
it's a touchdown.
Oh, I couldn't even tell.
If you can see me, I'd high five you. It's all good.
Okay.
This one.
All right, here we go. You take it. Ooh, he got it. Ooh.
Get in there. First down.
I just feel like if I was in my living room, I'd totally like.
Look around you. You're on a football field in an NFL stadium.
This is so cool.
Isn't it crazy?
Dream tech feature, even if it's not invented yet.
Okay.
What would be the cool thing to do with VR in a football game?
That's awesome.
Like
to
that.
be able to have my friends, you, me, everyone in this room have our own teams, and we're all playing in the same virtual stadium with each other. Me as a quarterback, you as a running back, someone else on defense, and we're all just playing a virtual NFL football game, but literally with every position on the field.
This will actually be extremely funny. So I played with a bunch of teams. I played for Bill Belichick. I played for John Harbaugh. I played for some amazing coaches. The experience that a lot of people would love to see is what happens in the locker room at halftime. You know, you come in that locker room, you're winning. It's a different conversation. You come in that locker room and you're losing, right? And especially by a Bill Belichick coach team or some other team. I think that would be a really cool experience to be sitting down in the locker room, looking around, and taking that feedback, whether it's positive or negative. But I think that would be a fun experience.
We tried.
Yeah, we tried.
We tried.
How you feeling? Sweaty?
No, it was
Need
good.
a nice bath, right?
Yeah, I could see myself easily playing like a little bit, but I'm like this kind of game. You don't really do the offense as much. It's really just like throwing, right?
Well,
that was smoother than I thought, and a lot more fun. You see the helmet in there. You're looking around, and it's so funny because in the moment you feel that pressure. I'm like going, what do I do? And all of a sudden it would be like a delay of game. Like, oh, you gotta act fast. They're just coming at you. I didn't actually feel, anyone running into me, obviously, but your brain starts playing tricks on you a little bit because at one point I wanted to run in. I'm like, let me just go forward. There's nowhere to run. I mean, I don't want to run into the wall or anything. But I was getting a feel for it. That was no training, and I just got a feel for it. That was great. Obviously, it's so important to make it intuitive. I don't play VR. I don't play a lot of football either. But it was easy. I just didn't really know my football plays, but I didn't need to know my football plays. I just kept going, sure, let's just go with what is pre-selected. And then I could just also randomize it and just throw it. But yeah, you do have to get a feel for when you're releasing, if you have two hands on, if you're holding it, because there were times I dropped it. But it's all good. I feel pretty good. I feel pretty good about what I brought to the team today. The real interesting twist to me is that the founders of this game come from a sports background, and that can take this game in a different direction than other football titles.
They want to make sure that the game feels real, When I put on the headset, I can tell you whether or not, this is kind of like the real thing, or no, this is the real thing. And so I think having those two mindsets as we create is what lends itself to making sure that this thing is a real experience.
This is all new stuff, and this is the kind of stuff that's going to get families excited about VR during the holidays when they want to be able to put the headset on and actually play a game. Hit me up in the comments on what features you want to see in your ideal VR football game and what other sports you would like to try. I gave this a try. Would you? Until next time, thanks for watching.